light moving from one place to another place. That is light travels. So instead of saying the word travel, we use the word here propagate. Light propagate. Does light propagate? The answer is yes. Can you say one example for, related to this, or can you justify this question that light travels, light propagates? Answer is yes. How do you justify this question?
Accurate, sir.
Sun
No,
propagated
justify.
Earth, sir.
Light.
What, Harsha?
Sun propagated Earth, sir. Light.
Yes.
Sunlight.
How to justify this answer is, the explanation is, we see morning at 5:30, 5:45 today, we get bright light on the earth. The reason is sun rises, sun gives the light to us. So sun is very far at a long distance from the earth. So from sun, the light reaches to the earth. So light travels from sun to the earth. Sun nunchi earth మధ్యలో చాలా దూరం ఉంది. It's a very long distance. Thousands of kilometer distance is there. This distance traveled by the light to reach the earth. So this explanation help us to understand that light propagate, light travel from one place to another place. Next, see students. In what way light propagate? Light ఎలా travel చేస్తుంది, ఎలా propagate చేస్తుంది? So light propagate, there is spelling mistake there in the first word. Propagate, it should be light propagate in a straight line. Also called, it should be called rectilinear propagation of light. So rectilinear means straight line. Light move from one place to another place in a straight line, that we call as rectilinear propagation of light. So the point we let know is light travels in a straight line, rectilinear propagation of light. Ramanji sir, please mute that particular child, disturbance there. Next, there is a question, one more question to you on your screen, students. Look at there. What is the velocity of light, or what is the speed of light in air? As you told, light travels. It means light is moving. Every moving object possesses speed. So light also possesses speed. The speed of light in air. గాలిలో లైట్ ట్రావెల్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఎంత స్పీడ్ తో ట్రావెల్ చేస్తుంది? There is a value for that. ఎంత స్పీడ్ తో పోతుంది? It is 3 into 10 to the power of 8. 10 power of 8. 10 కి పైన పవర్ లో 8 ఉండాలి. 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. M for meter, line ని meter చదవాలి, కింద S ని second. Meter per second. This is the value of speed of light in air. You can note down in your notes also. The value of speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Note down, students. I will ask you in the middle of the class the value of the speed of the light in air. The value is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. The same thing is also printed in the slide. Also, I wrote on the screen. You can note down 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second is the value of speed of light in air. Jayaramudu, you are scribbling. Don't do it. Yes, after these, students, here it is. There's a point to you there. There's a question there. Speed of light is maximum in which medium, and least in which medium? You can see the point there. Speed of light in gas greater than liquid, greater than solid. It means there are medium. You got the term, no? Medium. Let's see this one. What is medium? Have you heard this word medium anywhere?
Yes, sir.
Generally,
Yes,
you
sir.
think English medium, Telugu medium. But that is different. We are learning the physics. In physics, there is a meaning to the word, to the term medium. Let's know what is that. What is medium?
One level.
Yes, read child. What is the definition
Level.
of medium? Harsha, read it. Harsha, or any one of you?
Medium is a material through which light passes.
Yes, who read that? Who read that?
Shivakumar
A
sir.
material through
What's the name?
Shivakumar sir. Shivakumar sir.
Loudly, Shivakumar. Okay, good. Once again, read.
Medium is a material through which light passes.
Yes, it is which. There is a letter H is missed there. Spelling mistake. So medium is a material through which light passes. Material through which? ఏ మెటీరియల్ ద్వారా లైట్ పాస్ అవుతుంది ఆ మెటీరియల్ ఏం చెప్పాలంటే మీడియం అని చెప్పాలి. డౌన్ దేర్ ఆర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. రీడ్ దోస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్.
Example of medium air are air, water, and glass. Medium may exist in three forms: solid medium, liquid medium, gas medium.
Yes, very good child. Look at there. I make horizontal to your screen. You can also turn your phone. What is medium? A medium is a material through which light passes. ఏ మెటీరియల్ ద్వారా లైట్ పాస్ అవుతుంది ఆ మెటీరియల్ ని మీడియం అని చెప్పాలి. దట్స్ ద ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఇన్ తెలుగు టు యూ స్టూడెంట్స్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. Actually should not be used Telugu, but to make you understand, here and there I try to use the Telugu also. So medium is a material through which light passes. A material through which, here material means their example there, air. If you take air, does light passes through air? Answer to question
Yes,
to your
sir.
student.
Yes, sir. Liquid.
Yes, listen, when you unmute and wherever you are sitting there, tell your surrounding peoples, whoever there, to be quiet for just for 40 or 50 minutes. After that, there will be no class to you. During the class, tell your surrounding people means father, mother, brother, sister, whoever, grandmother, grandfather, tell them to be quiet. Or you sit at a place where there is no sound disturbance to you. When you unmute, you are talking. At the same time, your background sound also getting, all are listening. So this should not be happen. Tell to them. So does light, next question to you is, does light passes through water? Water ద్వారా light travel చేస్తుందా? Answer please.
Travel చేస్తుంది sir.
Yes.
Yes,
See,
sir.
once again, you unmute and again getting your mother's sound, student. I think Harsha's mother's sound, that is. Glass, gaju. Does light travels through it? Yes. If you see window panes are there, కిటికీ డోర్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, దాని గ్లాస్ పెట్టింటే సన్లైట్ లో బయట నుంచి లోపల వస్తుంటది. సో లైట్ పాసెస్ త్రూ ఎయిర్, త్రూ వాటర్ అండ్ త్రూ గ్లాస్. దీస్ ఆర్ ద మెటీరియల్స్. Now through this material light passes, that's why these materials are called as medium. So here air is a medium, water can be called as medium, glass can also be called as medium. Not only these three, many are there. Just to understand, these three names are used here. Now you got an idea about to which material we should call as medium. For example, I ask you, there is a cardboard. Can we call cardboard is a one material? Can we call cardboard as a medium? Answer please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, we cannot. No. If you take the torchlight, focus on the cardboard. Does the light passes through cardboard? Cardboard, atta.
No, sir. No, sir.
Utto tayari.
No, sir.
No.
No,
So
sir.
cardboard is a material, but
No, sir.
cannot be called as a medium because through which light not passes. Light doesn't passes. That's why cardboard is not called as a medium. A material through which light passes, then only we call as a medium. Spectacles there. On the spectacle, glasses are there. Wow, what is the do we call that glasses as a medium?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Yes. మీ ఇంట్లో మీ మధ్యది సౌండ్ వస్తా ఉంది, కొద్దిగా చెప్పండి ఎవరిది. ఇట్ ఈస్ డిఫికల్ట్ మీ టు గో టు ద పార్టిసిపెంట్ ప్లేస్ అండ్ టు చెక్ హూస్ సౌండ్ దట్ ఈస్. నేను ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పినాను, మీరు అన్మ్యూట్ చేసినప్పుడు మీ ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళకి కామ్గా ఉండమని చెప్పండి. ఎస్పెషల్లీ దిస్ లేడీస్, దే డు నాట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ హియర్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు మేక్ దెమ్ అండర్స్టాండ్. వాళ్ళకి అర్థమయ్యేటట్టు చెప్పాల్సింది బాధ్యత మీది. మీరు చెప్పాలా, అమ్మ క్లాస్ జరుగుతుంది, లేకుంటే నువ్వే దూరం రావాలి, లేకుంటే అమ్మ కొద్దిగా కామ్గా ఉండమ్మా అని చెప్పాలి. ఎస్, లుక్ అట్ దేర్. నౌ మీడియం మే ఎగ్జిస్ట్ ఇన్ 3 forms. 3 రూపాల్లో మనకు మీడియం ఉంటుంది. 3 forms: solid medium, liquid medium, gas medium. Can you give me example for the solid medium, students?
Ice. Mirror, sir.
Ice. Now question is, ice is a solid, but is it a medium?
Mirror, sir. Mirror.
Mirror.
Glass.
Mirror is a solid, but it is not a medium. Light doesn't passes through it. పైనే ఉంది కదా నాన్న గ్లాస్. గ్లాస్ is example for solid medium. Example for liquid medium?
Water, sir.
Very good. Example
Water.
for gas medium?
Air, sir.
Air, sir. Air.
Medium. Air medium. Okay. 3 students are answering. In all the 3 students house there is a disturbance. ఇంట్లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి మీరు దయచేసి కామ్గా ఉండండి. మెయిన్లీ ద లేడీస్ దేర్. Okay, so some of you said ice. Ice is in solid state, but does light travel passes through it? No. So ice is not called as a medium here. So light must passes not only solid, కేవలం solid ఒకటే కాదు, దాని ద్వారా light travel చేయాలి. Then only we should say that material as a medium. So you got idea that, you learnt that, you understood some points here. What are those points? Are medium is a material through which light passes. Examples for medium are air, water, and glass. Also, you understood that medium may present in 3 forms: solid medium, liquid medium, gas medium. Now, let's see types of medium. Students, next one is types of medium. Look at your phone screen. There are 2 types of medium. One is rarer medium, another one is denser medium. What are the 2 types of medium, students? Read.
Rarer medium,
Rarer
denser medium.
and denser medium.
Okay, very good. Mute your device now. Let's understand what is a rarer medium and what is a denser medium. Now I explain you. We have 2 hands, right hand and left hand. Yes, by seeing my right hand, I say it's a right hand of mine. By seeing to the left hand of my left hand, I say this is left hand of mine. ఇది నా లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్, ఇది నా రైట్ హ్యాండ్ అని చెప్తా. ఓకే. Opposite to me, there is a person. One person is sitting. I asked him. According to him, if I ask him, look at me, where is right, where is left to me of mine? నా రైట్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది, నా లెఫ్ట్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది అని చెప్తే, అతని ప్రకారము, if I ask this type of question, where is my right, where is my right side, where is my left side I am saying, then he say, where to which side my left hand is there, that side he say, that person say right side. And the opposite person say, where is my right hand, that person say, where is my left, where is my right, where is my right hand, where is my left side. If I ask, the person say, where my right hand is there. అంటే నా రైట్ హ్యాండ్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది, అక్కడ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ అంటాడు. నా లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది, అది రైట్ సైడ్ అంటాడు. అతని ప్రకారం ఆపోజిట్, ఇన్ రెఫరెన్స్ టు ద పర్సన్ హూ ఈస్ సిట్టింగ్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ మీ. అంటే ఈ రైట్ లెఫ్ట్ ఆర్ ద వర్డ్స్ ఆర్ ఇంటర్చేంజ్డ్. Those are interchanged and those are related to the observer, related to the surrounding, related to a reference point. అంటే ఒక కంపారిజన్, ఒక రెఫరెన్స్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు అబ్జర్వేషన్ బట్టి ఈ రైట్ అండ్ లెఫ్ట్ అనేది మారిపోతూ ఉంటాయి. నాకు లెఫ్ట్ కనిపిస్తే ఇంకొక పర్సన్ కి ఇంకొక రెఫరెన్స్ పాయింట్ నుంచి లెఫ్ట్ కనిపించవచ్చు. సో వాట్ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు సే టు యూ హియర్ ఈస్ rarer medium, denser medium, also not fixed medium, they are changed. How it is, let's understand. If you understand definition, you get the idea. Now on your phone screen, students, if this class ends, we will continue. Students, join with the same link. Note this point. Our session about to end now. So you, if it is closed, once
Okay,
again
sir.
you join the class. Once again join the class with the same link.